Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today's video for class 10th subject science part 1 topic based on chapter number 4 electric current. Welcome to the chapter electric current. Let us know the transfer of energy in a conductor. We can use many devices due to electricity only. Due to the current of electricity, we can produce light energy, sound energy, wind energy and heat energy. Let us perform activity. Material: connecting wire, electric cell, electric resistance, voltmeter, ammeter, plug key. As shown in the figure, connect the circuit. Measure the current I, also measure the potential difference. It is denoted as V, capital V, AB. Between two ends A and B of a resistance as connected in the series. Observation: the potential at A is higher than the potential at B, as the point A is connected to positive electrode of the cell and point B, and the point B to the negative electrode of the cell. Conclusion: if a charge Q flows from A to B, capital V, AB, capital Q has been done on Q while going from A to B, as shown in the diagram. For this work, energy is needed. The source of energy is the cell. The cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where work VAB is performed. If the charge Q flows from A to B in time t, that is, the work is performed in time t, then during that time the energy VABQ is given to the resistor. This energy is received by the resistor and is converted into heat energy. The temperature of resistor is increased. In the circuit, the resistor is replaced by a motor. Then the energy will get transformed into which form? Let us see. The energy will get in the form of electric power. P is equal to electric power is equal to energy upon time required. That is capital V AB Q upon T. VAB I is equal to, because I is equal to Q upon T. Second source, the source of energy, the cell gives in time t the energy P into T to the resistor, that is VAB is equal to P into T. If I is current flowing continuously through the circuit, the heat produced in the resistor in time t will be H is equal to P into T, that is VAB into I into T from step 1. According to Ohm's law, VAB is equal to I into R. Now H is equal to I into R into T, that is I square RT. H is equal to I square RT, that is Joule's law. It is called as a Joule's law of heating. Unit of electric power. Let us find out the unit of electric power. P is equal to VAB into I, that is volt into ampere. 1 volt into 1 ampere is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb into 1 coulomb upon 1 joule, that is 1 coulomb will get cancelled, is equal to 1 joule upon 1 second will get is equal to 1 watt. It will get is equal to into 1 watt, that is 1 joule upon 1 second is equal to watt. Thus, the unit of electric power is 1 watt. In next video, we will see about heating effect of electric current.
If you like this video, like, comment or share and do subscribe this channel.